Hi, hello, welcome to Elite Solution. Today we are going to see the continuation of the last video. How to solve PF KYC not approved by the employer. To check the previous video, I'll share the link in the description box. PF claim rejected due to bank KYC approved digitally not approved by the employer. So in this video we are going to see once we get the approval from the employer, what are all the further steps to claim the PF advance. Before we get into the video, please subscribe our channel and click the notification for the further updates. Once we get the digital approval from our employer, we'll see the further steps to proceed our claim. We are logging in the unified portal with a UAN number. So I'm hiding the details for the security reasons. Please be very careful while entering the CAPTCHA. So once we log in the unified portal, we have to click manage and third option KYC. In the last video, KYC pending was approval, and here you can see it was blank because establishment has already approved, digitally approved KYC by the employer. So here one more column is added, approved by establishment. So now we are going to proceed for the claim, online services and claim form 31, the first option. Let's click the option. Once we click the online services, the first option is claim form 31. So here the online claim form, we have to fill the online form. Few details have already retrieved by the system. Before we enter the details, we have to be ready with the document, which is blank check leaf scanned copy. So here our details is already retrieved by the system except the bank account number. So we have to enter a bank account number. So please be very careful again while entering the number. Once you enter the number, you can click the verify. Before verifying, just double check the number, bank account number, whatever you have entered here. Because second time we are applying and claim should not get rejected. So double check what are all the details you are entering. You please double check. So double check the bank account number before click the verify option. Now we have entered our account number. Let's verify. There's the verification message saying the number whatever we have entered, the bank account details is mine, and I understand the claim amount is going to credit in that particular amount. So click yes to agree and proceed further. The account number is verified. You will get a tick option, and once it verified, proceed for online claim. Click the option. So here the option is I want to apply for multiple options. So we are going to apply for PF advance due to this COVID. So form 31, PF advance form 31, we have to click that option. So once we click the PF advance option, it will ask for further more details. Select services, which was your employer details, and purpose for which advance is required, outbreak, pandemic, COVID-19. That is the option we have to select. Amount of advance required, you can enter as per your need, and the employee address as per the Aadhaar card. So once we entered the employee address details, we have to upload the blank check leaf. Choose file and locate the check leaf. Before you upload the document, you just check the file size. It should be in JPG or JPEG file, and minimum 100 KB and maximum 500 KB size. Double check the file size before you upload. In case your file size is more than 500 KB, we can easily minimize the file size. I'll share the video link in the description box. Please check. So now, for example, we are uploading a check leaf. File size is above 500 KB. So once we upload, to click view option, so it clearly shows uploaded file should be less than 500 KB. So we are uploading the document less than 500 KB. It's all done. Once you upload the file less than 500 KB check leaf, you can able to view your check leaf. Click the declaration, get Aadhaar OTP. You will get a OTP in the registered mobile number. Once you enter the OTP, you can click the validate OTP and submit claim form. Online claim request is submitting at portal. Once we enter the OTP and submit the claim form, you'll get a notification saying like OTP has verified and KYC has been updated and PF advance claim form submitted successfully on the unified portal. So we have successfully requested for the PF advance claim amount. So you can track the claim status in online services. The third option, track claim status. So you can see our current status update. Online claim submitted at the portal. So max in 3 to 4 days, requested amount will transfer to your bank account. I hope this video is very useful. Kindly share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Click the notification for the immediate updates. Thank you for watching.